So art portfolio track. This is the advanced, basically, portfolio production class. So it's AP art portfolios, college art portfolios, and supplemental art portfolios, as well as prepping class for artwork for competitions. It's where it's an advanced class for students that have put time into developing a lot of their technical skills and have a pretty clear idea of maybe where they want to go with it, or have really strong technical skills and need guidance of where they want to go with things. This is where they can go to explore different topics, but also to create these portfolios and really dig into them a little bit. And as I said, it's primary. This is the advanced class for older students, all about AP art portfolio, college art, and just portfolio construction in general. We're going to share a couple pieces from those here. So number one, we have the portfolio development class. The portfolio, this is from the landscape paintings. This is a good example, Scholastic Art Gold Key for 2021. Technical usage of skill, oil paint, very well done. But then we have like a college art portfolio piece using a hot topic within the environment, within the world itself right now, of the country of like gun rights and gun control and things of that nature, which is something it's important to basically show to colleges that you can use art to communicate things on prevalent topics that are important to people within the community, and what you have to say about it, and maybe how you feel about it. These two pieces are created by the same student. This other one was used for the AP art portfolio, and they actually used it on their website. And once again, it's about human interaction with the environment, the footprints of the cities being left by the person as they walk through, and how we interrelate. So a lot of the portfolio development skills aren't necessarily only about the technical skills. The technical skills are super important and need to be in place before you really start building portfolios. But it's not only showing them those technical skills, but also showing them the ability that you can use these technical skills in a creative way. So a lot of these camps and workshops we're working on are all building towards these types of elements as we go forward. And being able to build these portfolios, whether they be for supplemental portfolios for general college admission, or art portfolios for serious art schools that are really, stringent and hard to get into. It all leads into this same place, the technical skills building into the creative skills and how they interrelate to each other. I believe that is the end of my part of the presentation. So I'm going to stop the share on this, and we're going to open up into question and answer.